Hey, so today we're making a volcano bacon burger. Go ahead and fire up your grills. I'll show you what you need. It is going to be an explosion of goodness, a burst of flavors, a oozement of cheeses. Time to prep. So go ahead and fry your bacon. Prep your lettuce if you want to put lettuce, whatever other vegetables you want, whether it's tomato, whatever you like, onions, go crazy. Cut your avocados, boom. After that, you're gonna cut your cheese. You don't want anything too huge, but you don't want anything too small. Somewhere right in the middle, a good balance, okay? All right, so go ahead and just pack that cheese right in there, all nice and tight. You don't want any leaking out all over your grill. All right, let's throw these bad boys on the grill. So let's cut into it and just watch the cheese ooze out. So good. You don't need buns when you have this burger because it is just so filling and so good. There's no room for bread. Bread, meh. Now take a big bite and just watch the cheese the cheese is like this. The cheese it's just cheesy and good and yummy and delicious. Okay, be healthy.